Hi, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. It's beautiful, it's sunny, and I am working. But you know what? My friend Teddy's here. This is my life now. Maybe that'll make you laugh. I don't know. Anyways, I wanted to give you a little idea of how we turn work in and what it's going to look like going forward. I would love to tell you that I have answers about your grades or anything right now, and I really don't. All I know is about seniors, and which I'm sure you know as well. So this week we're going to have our grades just be as complete or not complete. Not complete meaning you don't do it. And then that just counts as an incomplete. Okay. I really want you to focus on doing your work this week, trying to learn. I don't want you to be stressed out about it by any means, but I do want you to focus on working so that we have a way, so that we're able to just kind of gain some momentum and you can still be learning and feel prepared for the next course you're going to take. Okay. So, first things first, I will be sending out an email Sunday night with all this information, and I'll remind everybody that it's posted on Remind on Monday, just so that you know what's going on. Okay. So, the first thing you're going to do when you get this information is you are going to log into Canvas. Okay. And every single week, I'm going to, on Mondays for A-Day classes, this will be posted. I'll repost it again for the B-Day classes. But I'm going to click right here on this. Every single week, I'm going to have an agenda, some Canvas instructions. I'm going to have a warm up, some notes, classwork, homework, and an exit ticket. This is everything for the week. Basically, I'm doing one lesson per week. We're going to turn everything on this assignment. So let's look first at the agenda. Okay, so here's the agenda for you. Every week, this will look very similar. So every week, I'll post an agenda on Canvas. We'll have video lessons, an instructional video that go over to turn in work this week. And again, I'm reiterating this stuff about the A-Days. I also have office hours every single week, Monday through Thursday. I've listed the times I'm available for each course. Here is the link. If you notice, like the link is a Google Hangout, you just click on it, and I will be in that meet from 1:15 till 3:30. Okay. I would like you to really utilize the time for your class period. Will I say you can't come to other ones? No, but I mean, from 1:15 to 2:15 on Mondays, I'm going to try to be available for my Math 105 students first. But always show up to whenever you want because maybe they're not going to be there and maybe no one's there and you want some help. I'm not available Tuesday afternoons from 2:30 to 3:30 because that's eighth period. Those are or that's fourth period. That's my prep well as this eighth period one. Okay. If you do need me those periods, just please send me an email or something and I can see if I can get on. But I'd like to preserve that as time for me to continue preparing. Okay. On Fridays, I'm available by appointments for any students. So just let me know when you want me to be free for you. And I'll again probably stick to that afternoon time. Okay. Always remember that ways to contact me. Remind us the best and quickest way to get in touch with me. I'm also going to respond through emails and through Canvas. Please remember to use your PPS student email. It's just a safety issue if you're using your personal one. Several people say, well, I don't log into that. Friends, we're in a new time. We have to log into our student email, and I can't change that for you, okay? This is great prep for college. You're going to have a college email you have to use, and you have to log into that, okay? I had a personal, well, I'm going to be honest, this is going to date me. I didn't have email until I left college. Personally, I did have a college email, but we didn't use it too much. So there you go. Now you know Miss Watson is much older than she looks. Okay, so let's talk about our unit overview. This is what our kind of for Unit 7. We're going to talk about rational expressions. So we're going to factor this week. Next week, we'll do some more complex factoring, and we'll talk about what a rational expression is. Then on April 27th to May 1st, we can add and subtract rational expressions. And on May 4th to May 9th, we'll multiply and divide. Do I know if you're having tests or quizzes? I got no idea. Right now, let's just try to learn online. We'll take it as we can go. Okay, so let's keep working on that. Okay, so I've read through my agenda. I know what's going on. And so I'm going to go to my next step, which is my warm up. So I'm going to go back to Canvas here. I'm going to turn my video off here. And now you'll notice there's Canvas instructions. That's the video I'm recording right now, so that will be up there. I'm going to go to my warm-up. I have logged into Canvas as a student just to show you how to do this, okay? So this warm-up has really nothing to do with what we're learning. It's just to get our brains going. And if I can show you any types of real-life math, I'm always going to do that, okay? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on Submit Assignment. And these are the questions I'm going to answer. What does the term tuition mean? What does the term scholarship mean? What does the term student loan mean? Determine the amount to pay. So I'm going to go right here. And you are welcome to just copy these right here. I'm going to press Control C to copy it. And I'm going to paste it down here, and then I'm just going to answer them. Okay? And I would say, what does the term tuition mean? I would write da 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 da. Okay? I'm not going to write what the answer is because I want you to come up with it. I'll always answer the personal ones. I love these. If you could sit on a bench in beautiful woods, who would you like to sit next to you and why? Friends, I'll always choose my dad. I probably don't talk about this in class too much, but my dad passed away very quickly 2 years ago, and I've got lots of so questions for him about what, I could ask him, so I would sit next to him and ask him what's going on in this world and why. He was just a really good person for me to always ask questions and talk, and he was a really good listener. So that would be who I would have sitting next to me. Um, so yeah, I would write that down right there. And then I would go here and I would click submit assignment and done. And what I'm going to do for you is you'll know you've submitted because it says resubmit and click submitted. You don't need to send your teachers emails and say, did it submit? Because it shows it right there. And so that way I know my warm up is done. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to go to my next assignment here, and I'm going to go back to my calendar. I'm always reorienting by going back to my calendar. And I'm going to go back to April 13th. And you will notice that all of these assignments are on the side here, but I put them in one spot so you can find them. So I've done my warm up. Next on my list, if you'll notice in my agenda, I made it very clear as you keep going down, what do I need to do? So I completed the warm up. I need to now watch the instructional video and take notes and provide nice feedback on Canvas. I'd love to know, what did you like about the video and what can I add to the next one? So I'm going to go here, I'm going to click on the notes, and it's going to take me here. Pardon me. So I'm going to take notes off this video. I use an app called Explain Everything. Please let me know, was it great or was it hard? It's going to open up into this thing right here. And I'm going to just take my video off. There we go. And I'm going to press play. You'll notice right here when I'm looking at this, when I press play, so it goes right here. There's some more notes. Every one of these is just when I made a new page. Okay. Then what I'm going to do, if you need a multiplication chart, I've got one right here. But feedback, things I'm looking for, what did you like? So again, I am going to look at that text box and say, huh, loved the video. If you hated it, maybe you, instead of saying I hated it, you could say, Miss Watson, perhaps you could try using this app, or perhaps you could do this. Or perhaps you could stop recording on your porch where we can hear the garbage can. Friends, I am so sorry. Like, what on earth? It was the garbage day today, and I don't know. It just was exactly the time. I gotta take when I can get it when I can make these videos. Okay, so that's my life. Okay, so anyways, you don't need to know that. Again, gonna submit my assignment. Awesome, great, good. It's submitted again. Wonderful. I'm feeling really great right now. Now, maybe on Monday you're like, you know what? I'm out. I don't want to do any more math today. I'm going to try to pace myself. I don't care when you do this. I would like everything done by the following Monday. Okay. If you want to crank everything out on Monday, great. You want to crank everything out on Wednesday. If you're in my third period, you are going to turn these in by the following Monday. If you are in my second/sixth, you can turn them in the following Monday or the following Wednesday. Doesn't matter. And then if you're in my seventh period, you're going to turn it in the following Wednesday. Okay. Just remember, it's just due the following week. I don't care when you get it in, just get it in on that day. What if you can't get it on that day? Let's not try to think about what if we can't. Let's try to think about ways we'll problem solve when we get there. Okay. Okay, great. I've got that one done. I'm again going to go back to my calendar. Okay. What do I still need to do? I did notes. Oh, classwork. Okay. So I'm going to choose one of these two assignments. It doesn't matter which one you want to do. I'm going to look at this first one here. It says unauthorized. How unfortunate. Well, Miss Watson will change that link for you. It's very bad. I will figure that out. This one says the math activity also unauthorized. Okay, well, clearly I have some work to do on that one, but I can show you what they look like. Um, the second option, so option one is this right here. Oh, that's so unfortunate. I don't know why it's like that. Okay, so option one is this right here, and I will make sure you can use it. I know what's wrong with it. So option one is this factoring review. Okay. You need to choose any 20 of these. I don't care which ones you choose, but you need to choose any 20. I don't care. There's 40 options for you. This is one. If you're like, Miss Watson, I just want to plug and chug today. I'm going to put it in my notebook. I'm going to take a picture. I'll upload it to Canvas. What if you're like, you know what? I want something funner and more exciting. Well, you're going to do my factoring quotation. Can you decipher the quotation? You are going to factor each of these polynomials right here and all of these, okay? Then you're going to put your answers. You're going to choose which letter they correspond to, and that will help you solve the quotation right here. I don't care which option you choose, just as long as you choose one. Clearly, I will have to change my Canvas. I'll make that so it works, friends. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Okay. So, if you don't have a printer, do all your work on stuff, please. I don't have a printer, that's fine. Again, I'm going to submit my assignment. If you took a picture on your phone, you can upload it that way. You can choose the file, it works, and then I press submit assignment. Again, I'll know I submitted because it's that check because I've submitted. Okay, I'm going to go back. I'm going to leave because something's wrong with my stuff. Okay, now I'm going to go back and it looks like, oh, I've got a homework assignment. Let's see if that one works. Okay, choose any 6 on this problem on this sheet, and when you have finished the assignment, please upload your work to Canvas. Did it work? Oh, that one worked. So weird. Okay, well, I'll figure out the other ones. I'm not sure. So there's 12 problems here, and you need to choose any 6. Okay, so choose those, and we'll figure that out. Again, you're going to submit your assignment, and you'll get that check. The last thing you're going to do is an exit ticket. You're going to choose one of the 6 that, okay, so you're going to choose one of the 6 problems for the exit ticket, and you're going to record yourself solving one of the problems. I've never done this. Apparently, there's an app called the Voice Memos app. I now have, oh, it looks like I can have it. Okay. I will try it out this week and figure it out because if this doesn't work, I'll just take it off of the assignments. But I'm pretty sure you can do that. And then what's really cool is that when you go to submit assignment, which I will change this so it actually says submit assignment, you can upload a voice recording. Okay? So that's the last thing you're going to do when you've done all the things, you've fulfilled everything for the week. Please let me know if you're like, Miss Watson, this is a lot. Again, I'm not asking you to do more than I would ask you to do in a class period. But let me know. I'm available for office hours, everything. I would love to help you. Please reach out. I would love to do that. If you can't figure out the Google Meet or anything, just send me a message. I will help you out. It's so great. I hope you have a great weekend. This is one of my favorite weekends of the year, and hopefully you'll be able to figure out why. Okay, have a great day. Bye.